Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a new container in Spectra. So let me create a new page. And here I can give page name test6. So guys, I have installed Spectra plugin, that is the most popular page builder nowadays. Here you can see on the top left corner plus button. Just click here, and after that here you can see these are the elements. So the first one is container. Just you can click on it and also you can drag it here. So guys, the next step is you need to select a row with the number of columns. For example, you want to select 2 columns, 3, 4, and these are the other column structures. So at this time I want to select this one, 2 columns row. And here you can see guys, container is added with 2 columns. So now on the right side, here you can see 3 tabs: General, Style, Advanced. Scroll down and here you can see container width, full width, boxed as well as custom. So if you select custom width, just you can reduce the width according to your requirement. Normally these items are used boxed. Then scroll down, this is equal height option, and then overflow, then layout. You can align the items, start, middle and the end. Then go to style tab. You can add the background colors and background image as well as background videos. Then you can add the border as well as shape dividers. Then you can use the spacing that include padding and margin. And in container advanced tab, here you can see block styles, then sticky options. So you can make this sticky, and after that animations, display conditions, so that on which device you want to display, then responsive conditions as well as z-index, then advanced tab.